Tyson, I think she'd do this all day.
Huh?
She'd do this all day.
Oh, yeah.
Get it, Pipe. Penny's like, what are you doing? Penny wants her to play. Mm-hmm. Pimpin, I don't think she wants to play. She's like, look, you silly dog, play with the ball.